Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'm going to show you all how to make traditional jackfruit buns or jackfruit puri. In a mixer, blend the jackfruit pods along with jaggery hung curd into a smooth paste. In a mixing bowl, combine the jackfruit pulp, cumin seeds, semolina, baking soda and salt. Give it a good mix. I have taken wheat flour and all-purpose flour. You can use either of one. Now add both the flours. Mix well using your fingers. Knead it well until you get a soft dough. Add very little oil on top of the dough and knead it for one more time. Keep the dough covered and let it rest around 8 to 10 hours or overnight. After the dough is fermented, divide the dough into equal portions. Heat sufficient oil on a medium-high flame. I am using little oil on a rolling board. You can also use wheat flour. Roll each dough into 5 mm thick disc. Once the oil is sufficiently hot, fry the rolled puris, flipping them over every few seconds until a uniform brown color is achieved all around. Fry the remaining puris in a similar way. Transfer the fried puris to a plate lined with paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Serve hot with coconut chutney or tea or coffee or with your favorite curry. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.